At Arcadia University,
I can be anything.
A researcher.
a creative,
A leader.
An ally.
I can be the first in my family to earn a degree.
At Arcadia, I can impact the world around me.
I can make a difference in my community.
And for those who need it most,
I can explore the world.
without getting lost in the crowd.
And I can get into the game.
In a way that's unique to me.
at Arcadia,
I gather inspiration.
Then see it come to life.
I take my curiosity to new places.
And discover my life's work.
at Arcadia,
I am bold.
At Arcadia,
I venture beyond.
At Arcadia,
I
Think
big.